Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase on two TTM return. Just before to show this, I will show you this card. It's a Brooks Robinson Auto. I purchased this card from the past year and just find it in my hobby room that I'm very happy with this. I purchased it from an English seller in the past year, and it looks to be a real auto, and I'm very happy to find this is in my home, because I forgotten and I get it, and I'm very happy to get this auto from a great player. Rest in peace, Mr. Robinson. That's nice. Just before to show you my TTM return, shout out to Richard. He get a channel. His channel is Lily's Whips, and it's very friendly member. His video are relaxing, and he get a good content he got a good content in his video, and you can check his video. Thanks, Richard, because also he sent me some stamps, and that it's a very great from him, because I need those stamps for my TTM request. Donc thanks again, Richard, to send me some international stamp in order about my TTM request. And you can check his channel, because his video are nice, and it's very friendly. Thanks again, Richard. Okay, next. Okay, I will show you my TTM return. Just I will show you. It's come from Miami. Okay, it's taking a long time, not a long time, but 2 or 3 months or something like this. And it's Nate Moore. He was a former wide receiver for the Dolphins. Very nice. Thanks a lot, Mr. Moore. I not check his biography, but I don't know if it was maybe it was sometime a Pro Bowl player. I think that. Thanks a lot, Mr. Nate Moore. Very nice, great. And about this return, I'm very happy about this return. I not put some to hide my my address, but it's come from Charleston. It's a former very good quarterback. For this moment, I think he's not in the Hall of Fame, but he must to be in my. It's Mr. Ken Anderson, and it's in 3 of my card. That it's crazy. Thanks a lot, Mr. Ken Anderson. I think it was my best return from a long time, because that it's crazy, and his statistics are very impressive, and that is great. This card is very funny, because the card was airbrushed, and we think he played for the Cleveland Bengals, but no, it's really the Bengal uniform. It's not the brown. It's not the brown uniform. It's really the Bengal uniform. That it's crazy. And you look again. I'm very happy about this return, because the cards really are so nice. One of my best return ago a long time. Thanks a lot, Mr. Ken Anderson. Okay, move on. Recently I purchased some cards in order to build my 2021 Heritage baseball set. It's about some short print card. Griffin Canning, number 401. Edwin Encarnacion, number 413. Whit Merrifield, number 476. Elvis Andrus, number is 463. I think now he plays for the Athletics. Jacoby Jones, his number is 496. And Yogi Chuchugo, and his number is 415. I don't want to offend this player or the Japanese player, but when I read Chuchugo every time, that it's very relaxing for me, and I can't stop to load. I will keep this card on mine, and if one day I am stressed, I will read Chuchugo, and it's very relaxing for me. Next, move on. This is a flashback card, digital watch introduced. Of course, the looking of this card is not great, but okay, that will help to build my insert set. I purchased two great cards. It's Roberto Clemente, the great on insert. I haven't got this card, and it's crazy nice. I think this card is this photo he was took when the MLB played in Puerto Rico, his native land. On that, I think in this card he hit 3 triple in one game. I don't know if it's 3 triple in a row, but that is crazy. In my baseball amateur career, I'm not sure I hit a triple. Maybe a day, but maybe 1 or 2, but that's it. That is great. Okay, move on. And it's some new age performer, Kyle Lewis and David Fletcher. I love this Mariner uniform with, it's not a white, but it's in French we say blanc cassé, but it's very nice color and with this blue. That is a wonderful uniform. I love this. Kyle Lewis and David Fletcher. I don't know this guy. David Fletcher must be a young player. Kyle Lewis, I know it because he was a rookie of the year last year. Okay. I purchased this card before to pull in my retail box, and it's Tom Seaver and Jacob deGrom. Now it's a spare card, but I will not complain because I love this card. Even it's one of my favorite cards of this set. That is great. Okay. That it's another Zen and Nao, Dick Allen and Jose Abreu. I love this, like also this card on the Zen and Nao series. On this card I haven't got, I can put in my binder. And this is Carew winning American League batting title. That is great. I've got this card, but okay. Anyway, okay. Also in the same series, I pulled a black border of Alex Bregman. Must to me a mini black border, I think so, and he is a very good player, and I am happy with this card. Okay, nice. Another, it's a Upper Deck Legend signature. It's a Dyron Talbert. This guy is a very good signature, but I love this series, even if some stickers Soto. It's 2006 Upper Deck Legend Football, and I'm very happy to grab this card. I think it's about $10 or something like this. Maybe a day I will try to do a TTM request to this player, this great TTM senior. Okay, one of my last things, it's a postcard purchased from a German seller. We can see the Los Angeles Coliseum, and must to be it's a football game. And at the back it's very nice because a guy writes something, and it's very nice. He writes in 59, that's a quite long time. He said, "Dear head, choose your mind, choose your night like the choose your mind." Oh, sorry, I don't know what it is. But he said, après, where the Dodgers played Chicago for the 1-0 victory during the World Series. I didn't know they play the World Series in the Los Angeles Coliseum. I guess you watched the game. Okay, love. That is very nice. That I'm very happy to grab. It was posted in California, of course, and the name of the city was Donne, something like this. That's great. Very happy to add to my collection score. Just okay. It's nice. On my last purchase, for me it's a big deal, but maybe not for you. I purchased some square cube to store my baseball signed autographed baseball, and I purchased these boxes like this from a US seller. It was a quite big deal for me because in Europe I don't think there is one seller who sells this product, or it's very rare. And I just stored my first baseball card my baseball autographed, and I ever showed this ball, but I'm very happy to get this. This signed ball is come from the current commissioner of the MLB. It's Mr. Manfred, and this signature is very great looking, and he's not a player, of course, but I'm very happy with this. And when you put an autographed baseball in a case like this, that's really enhance. Oh, sorry, I don't know the name, but the looking is better. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best and happy collecting. Bye bye.